Are you thinking about buying a home in retirement? It can be an exciting journey, and today, we're going to make it simple and fun to understand. Stick around as we cover all you need to know about purchasing your dream home during your golden years. Hi, I'm here to help you make the best decisions when it comes to buying a home in retirement. Whether you're downsizing, moving closer to family, or just looking for a change, this video is for you. In this video, we'll talk about why you might want to buy a home in retirement, how to plan your budget, the types of homes to consider, important things to keep in mind during the process, and tips for making the move smooth and stress-free. First, let's talk about why you might want to buy a home in retirement. Maybe you want to move to a place with better weather, be closer to your grandkids, or find a home that's easier to take care of. Whatever your reason, buying a new home can make your retirement even more enjoyable. Now, let's get into planning your budget. It's important to know how much you can afford to spend on a new home. Think about your savings, any income you have, and what you'll need for everyday expenses. Don't forget to include costs like property taxes, maintenance, and insurance. You might also want to talk to a financial advisor to help you figure out your budget. They can help you understand how buying a home fits into your overall retirement plan. Next, let's explore the types of homes you might consider. Some people like the idea of a smaller home that's easier to maintain. Others might want to move into a retirement community where there are lots of activities and opportunities to meet new friends. Think about what will make you happiest. Do you want a big backyard for gardening, or do you prefer a condo where someone else takes care of the yard? Maybe you want to be close to parks, shops, and medical facilities. Make a list of what's most important to you in a new home. When you're buying a home in retirement, there are a few important things to keep in mind. First, consider the location. Is it close to family and friends? Are there good healthcare facilities nearby? What about activities and hobbies you enjoy? Also, think about the future. As we get older, our needs can change. Look for a home that's easy to get around in, maybe with fewer stairs or wider doorways. Some homes are designed with aging in place in mind, which can make them a great choice for retirees. Finally, here are some tips for making your move smooth and stress-free. Start by decluttering your current home. Moving is a great time to sort through your belongings and decide what you really need and love. Next, hire a real estate agent who has experience working with retirees. They can help you find the perfect home and guide you through the buying process. Once you've found your new home, plan your move carefully. Make a checklist of things to do, like transferring utilities, changing your address, and packing your belongings. If you need help, consider hiring a moving company that specializes in helping older adults move. Buying a home in retirement can be a wonderful adventure, and we're here to help you every step of the way. If you have any questions or need more information, be sure to connect with us. I look forward to helping you find your dream home. Thanks for watching. Remember, buying a home in retirement doesn't have to be complicated. With a little planning and the right help, you can find a place that makes your retirement years truly special. See you next time.
Thank you for watching my video. I hope you found it helpful, and I hope you would like to discuss it further. So if you would, please feel free to call me, Mitch Milat, Riviera Financial Mortgage, 424-290-8294. You can also email me, mitch@rivierafinancial.com. You can also find me on Instagram @Mitchell Milat, or on my Facebook homepage, Mitch Milat, Riviera Financial, Beverly Hills. Thank you so much. Look forward to talking to you soon and wishing you much success in the future.